Hello, my name is Gabor Csonka. Just a couple of information. I'm a senior at LSU, finishing up my last classes before graduation. This is going to be the screencasting presentation of my website for ELRC 4507. I'm originally from Hungary, so that means I have a heavy accent, but I will try to talk as clear as possible. I hope you will understand everything. So let's start with the page. It's called the LSU Learning, and the Trust the Process is the main idea behind it. On my weekly projects, I focus on motivational learning, how a person can be motivated, how a person can be motivated to do strong acts, and how people can achieve an easier method combining the two, focusing, motivational learning, and yeah, basically that. So let's move on. Here I got my home page, and then we had to create the biography page of myself, just a couple of information again. I'm just scrolling it through. Then of course we had the assignments every week. Here you can see the tech projects. I should be able. Yeah, so we have the tech projects here. I'm gonna go ahead, open up tech projects where we had to upload our mobile app presentation. Mine is on motivational learning. It has, I believe, 10 slides. I'm not sure right now. You can find it under tech projects. And under the tech projects, we had 4 different sub-pages: digital story, PLE, PLN, mobile app, and screencast. First one is the digital story, which I created. This is a video of a brave woman who climbed the Himalayas on barefoot. It's like she's trying. I've been following her. She's trying to motivate people how to do brave acts, and basically, yeah, that's what my video is concluding up. Next one, we're gonna move on to the PLE, PLN assignments. Here you can see number 1. Basically, all 4 assignments are here. It should be pretty easy to open up them. You just have to click on it. I am pretty sure it's open, so you can. It is shared, so you can easily get access to it. So yeah, here's my table for the first assignment. I'm just scrolling through it, and all the 4 should be easily accessible. So these were the PLN assignments. I had 4 of them. Then I had the mobile app. Here we go again with the motivational learning. Here I am just like I'm having great thoughts, a couple great pictures on everything that's about motivational learning, how it makes your life easier, and how you can be a better person by doing that. Next one, we're gonna go on to. Oh yeah, the next one I believe is the screencast. That's what's coming in here. And then we, of course, have the tech blog, which is for the blogger site we created on week 2, I believe. And this is the number 1, actually, where I had to explain what wikis are and how to use them. I believe I gave a brief explanation here. My pictures uploaded and everything should be on point. I believe that wraps up my presentation of my website. I hope I did everything. I tried to follow everything. I know it was a lot of information, but I tried to do my best. And have a great rest of the summer.